What's up everybody, Coal Miner Customs here. Today we're going to be unboxing the new Xtool F1 Ultra. Check out the description down below. I actually have a link for this product. And also too, hey, if you haven't checked out our page, and we have a whole lot of other different unboxing videos and how-to videos. So hit that subscribe button and check us out. Hey, let's unbox this thing. All right guys, we got it unboxed. So we're gonna go over each individual part here. Got the machine itself. Shut this real quick. You've got the manual instruction guide. Coming over here, you've got the touchpad that hooks in. You got some cleaning cloths. You got your security keys, USB cord, your right angle support. That will actually screw into these holes right here. You've got your grid tray. You got a samples pack here that actually has some slate coasters, some leatherette patches, pieces of cardboard. You've got some charms here for some jewelry, some more metal business cards, your Allen head screwdriver. Coming over here, you've got power cord, your power brick, your exhaust tubing, and another sample piece here. Overall, that's about all that comes in the box and in this box that was in that box. Hey, if this video was helpful, give us a thumbs up. And also too, hit that subscribe button. It really does help out the channel. And also too, if you're thinking about getting one of these Xtool F1 Ultras, check out that description down below. And hey, we'll see you next time.